Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel we discuss versus battle matchups and compare the power outputs and feats of different fictitious characters. So for today we have Kylo Ren and Tomura Shigaraki. Let's divide each of the strength in three categories: destructive capacity, reaction speed and hacks. For Tomura Shigaraki, his best destructive capacity feat would be the time in chapter 239 of the My Hero Academia manga when he created a crater around Daika City, which was which was as large as half of the city, and he did it in under 5 seconds of time span. To do this, he must be exerting a force of around 80 gigatons of TNT. And for Kylo Ren, his best feat would be when the Knights of Ren compared his force power to that of Kanan Jarrus, who in the Star Wars Rebel comic moved 3 asteroids with the help of Ezra Bridger around his rebel ship. To do this, he must be exerting a force of around 400 kilotons of TNT, which easily puts Ren in large town level ranges. So the gap in power between Tomura Shigaraki and Ren is too vast. Tomura Shigaraki's island level feat completely dwarfs Ren's town level scaling. So which means that Tomura Shigaraki is around 20,000 times stronger than Kylo Ren's best feat of strength, which comes via scaling. So point 1 goes to Shigaraki. Next is reaction speed. Both characters don't have much impressive travel speed, so we have to only compare the reaction speed. For Ren, his reaction speed should easily be around light speed or FTL reaction speed, as he has dodged or reacted to multiple laser bolts fired at the speed of light towards him. For Shigaraki, he is also around the same tier as in the MHA manga chapter 275. Shigaraki is comparable to Deku, who dodged radio waves fired by Shigaraki towards him. Deku reacted to those radio waves in a very as after they were fired, and radio waves are as fast at the speed of light. So this would put Shigaraki's reaction speed around FTL ranges, much closer to Ren's. But for the sake of argument, I will still give Ren a speed benefit. Let's just say that Ren is around 2 or 3 times faster than Shigaraki. So point 1 goes to Ren. And now as for hacks, Shigaraki Tomura has All for One quirk that was given to him by his master All for One in the manga. And Kylo Ren doesn't have much hacks except the force abilities. He can use force choke on Tomura Shigaraki or give him a mind trauma. But Shigaraki also has a long range distance advantage of his DK quirk. Whenever Ren tries to force choke Shigaraki could just DK him from a wide distance. And as for mind hacks, Tomura Shigaraki should still be comparable to Deku, who resisted Shinzo Hitoshi's mind control. So the hacks edge should still be a tie. So with these points, I have to give this battle to Tomura Shigaraki, as due to his superior destructive capacity and the tie in reaction speed and in hacks. Well, I think I should give the point in hacks to Tomura Shigaraki, because in the manga, All for One quirk also allowed him to regenerate his entire body after being hit by a barrage of attacks by other heroes or Endeavor. And plus, a lightsaber won't be that much of a problem to Shigaraki, as he has taken Endeavor's flame at point blank ranges, and Endeavor's flame could burn entire buildings and mountains. This should put Endeavor's flame's heat and a lightsaber's heat greater or much equal to each other. So that takes for the durability. So now, as for any further ado, I declare the winner of the match to Tomura Shigaraki, as his advantages are superior strength, superior strength, hacks and better durability. And as for Kylo Ren, his advantages are better reaction speed and better fighting experience, as he is much older than Tomura Shigaraki. But still, this matchup goes slightly towards Tomura Shigaraki due to his devastating advantages in the destructive capacity, and Ren simply couldn't keep up. And plus, even if Ren tries to overexert his force power, there is a chance that his entire body could die easily, as in the past powerful Jedi Masters have died overexerting their force powers in their body, and it has taken a toll on their lives. So the winner of this matchup is Tomura Shigaraki.